Welcome to Doing Stuff. Well, I just purchased a rigid planer and I need to make a little table for it. So I'm going for something that can fit this planer and also be able to, when it goes through the planer, it falls not on the ground but on the table. So I'm going for something about 3 feet by 2 or something like that. So here's the planer. If you can see it here, and I'm about to take it out the box and go ahead and make me a table out of 2x4s and 2x6s. I'm gonna get this thing out of the box and I will be back. Okay, here she is out of the box. I've still got to put the back panel on. Then I think there's a wood dust little connection here. But other than that, it comes fully assembled. I haven't even cracked open the manual yet. I just want to see what the measurements were for this thing. So going out from this side with the pan, we're looking at about 21 inches, and then this way we're looking at about 23. So 2 feet by 3 feet sounds like I'm on to something here. So that's what I'm basically gonna do. It's gonna be on casters anyway, so I'll go ahead and do maybe, I don't know, I may do 2.5 feet opposed to 3 feet, but since we got these little trays here. But yeah, we'll come up with something. Cutting my pocket holes for my bench, so I've measured it up already, so I'll go ahead and shove her on in. That's the first one, and I got a few more to go. The rest of the 2x10 for my tabletop for my planer. Time to rip the edge. Alright, setup. Got the edges trimmed on both sides. It's from the middle piece. pencil marks, 2.5 inches all the way around. I don't know if you can see that. So for the most part, this is the setup. Looks like turned out really good. All right. Really good.